Okay, let's look at Phylum Porifera. It's a little bit dry. Oh, it's only because they're out of the water. So when I think of sponges, this is what I think of, right? A bath sponge. Sponges are squishy, they can absorb water. Okay, so this is no longer living, right? This is a dried specimen of a sponge, but this is a sponge in the class Demospongiae. And Demospongiae has in it spongin, and that's what makes it, well, squishy. Okay? When we look at it underneath the microscope, we'll be able to see spongin, and that's what's making it so squishy. But not all sponges are squishy. As a matter of fact, some are hard. This is from the class Calcarea. Wow, it hardly looks like a sponge. Almost, it's like a rock. That's a living creature. Well, not anymore. It's been dried. But sponges come in all shapes and sizes and squishiness, right? So this is not Demospongiae either. Look at this amazing specimen. This one I have to be very careful with. It's so fragile. And this is a sponge as well. And so I just wanted to show you some of the specimens that we have in lab because they're quite amazing. This is another Demospongiae. And it's nice to see, well, we can see why it's porifera, at least on all of these, because it is indeed full of holes. This lab is all about learning the canal systems and the names of the different holes and chambers and cell types. Now, our first specimen, one of the few that we look at that I can show you, is a Leucoselenia. Ugh, this is a preserved specimen. So let me zoom in here and let me focus and find my tweezers. I'll hold it up. Ooh, focus please. Ooh, oh, look at those little guys. Okay, so this is Leucoselenia. Look at how tiny that sponge is. Okay, so you're going to look at an entire Leucoselenia under the microscope, and that's how you can do it, is that that's actual preserved specimen of what you'll be looking at underneath the microscope. Okay, so hopefully that helps motivate you and move through, because it could be so much worse. Look, that's a sponge too. No way. Look at that. It looks like liver, right? Oh, this is just weird. So these are a strange and fascinating animal. And yeah, they are animals for you to learn about in this week's lab. So have fun and know that I wish you were in lab. That's okay. Here we go.